This program, especially with the town hall, allowed the students to practice their critical thinking and communicate with each other. They had to think of topics that typically they wouldn't ever have been exposed to. A lot of them had no idea about the wolf reintroduction, and they had to think outside of the box and put themselves in the shoes of government and what adults are currently talking about. And raising the standard up and having them challenged in that way really does provide the critical thinking skills that will benefit them throughout the rest of their education.
My favorite part of the trip was the hike because I got to learn so many different things, like how to tell the difference between different trees and stuff.
So I really do think this is a unique opportunity. Our school being a charter, we come from a wide range of socioeconomic backgrounds. And so we definitely have students who families go skiing every weekend, and we have families who are, sharing homes with other families. And so for students who may have lived in Colorado their entire lives, but the families don't have the time or the resources to drive a couple hours and see the splendor and what nature has to offer. And so I think, you get to see a lot of these students like, wow, I didn't know this was up here, and just, open their horizons.
This is my 4th year here at KSS, and I recommended it every year since. It truly is special being a middle schooler or a young kid and leaving your home for the first time and getting that independence, while also with a bunch of other kids doing fun activities and learning and getting outside. I recommend all the programs, the summer, fall, winter, because I think KSS is a really unique school that I didn't have an opportunity to go to when I was younger, and I really lived through my inner child coming here the last 4 years.